Pure tongue oil is a popular finish for butcher blocks, and for a good reason. This natural oil helps to protect the wood from water and other liquids, while also giving it a beautiful sheen. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review, when I am covering 5 best tongue oil for butcher blocks in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Hope's Pure Tongue Oil 16 ounces Wood Finish. It is easy to use. Simply wipe it on and allow it to cure at room temperature. The end result is a beautiful, durable finish that will protect your wood from moisture and everyday wear and tear. Using this product is also a great way to show off the natural beauty of the grain in your butcher block. As it penetrates deep into the wood fibers, it develops into a flexible, non-oily solid that becomes a part of that wood itself. Unlike mineral oil and wax-based products, it is resistant to moisture, oil, and everyday wear, and it will last many times longer. The oil penetrates unfinished wood, weathered wood, stripped wood, concrete floors and countertops, brick, stone, and cast iron, to give them a unique appearance. Number 2. Godor Tongue Oil for Butcher Block. As it is food grade, it can be used on butcher blocks and other types of wood. The oil brings protection and luster to your wood, making it look beautiful and new again. After use, it forms a protective barrier that serves as a waterproof finish, so you can expect your butcher blocks to remain in excellent condition for a long time. It penetrates deep into the wood to protect it from moisture and other damage, while also imparting a pleasing appearance. This product is also versatile enough to be used on concrete, bricks, and stones. This product is easy to apply. You simply wipe it on with a soft towel and allow the tongue oil cures at room temperature. In order to achieve the perfect finish, you will need to repeat the process 2 to 3 times. Number 3. Minwax Tongue Oil Finish. Minwax oil wood finish is also easy to apply and maintain, so it is well suited for protecting your wood surfaces. You can refresh the finish by simply applying another maintenance coat when it starts to wear off. You can easily apply it, and it leaves a long-lasting, satin finish. Use it on butcher block, furniture, antiques, woodwork, cabinets, doors, paneling, and accessories. Furthermore, it is easy to clean up with mineral spirits or paint thinner according to the manufacturer's instructions. The coating dries in 5 to 10 minutes and can be buffed to a beautiful sheen. It dries clear, so it won't obscure the natural beauty of the wood. Additionally, the finish is durable and long-lasting. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Pure Non-Toxic Tongue Oil for Block. The oil is highly resistant to food and water stains, making it a great choice for areas where it may come in contact with food. It is also 100% natural and non-toxic, making it a safe choice for use in the kitchen. This natural oil penetrates deep into the wood, providing long-lasting protection against moisture and humidity. Additionally, it can be used to restore old or damaged wood furniture. As this product is resistant to moisture and oil, it is an effective method for protecting against deterioration. Number 5. Libran Pure Tongue Oil Wood Finishes. It is a natural oil that penetrates deeply into the wood, providing long-lasting protection against stains and scratches. As it is safe and non-toxic, it is ideal for use on food contact surfaces, such as kitchen worktops, cutting boards, butcher blocks, and salad bowls. This oil can provide a long-lasting matte finish, so your butcher blocks will look amazing for a long time. Safe and non-toxic, that is ideal for use on food contact surfaces. Provides a long-lasting matte finish that looks amazing. Resistant to water and heat, that can be used in any environment. Can be used both outdoors and indoors. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.